Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Call me and bring action. Action, make the girl them broke out. Action. Action, make the girl them broke out.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope you reach her early this morning, you know, because it's a bag of controversy going on the streets of Kingston. Me sure you know by now said JUTC have withdrew their service because of the fatal stabbing of two JUTC bus driver. But that come after the fatal stabbing of a taxi driver, allegedly by another JUTC driver. So the JUTC driver them withdrew them service, and the taxi drivers them who plied the route from Washington, or I should say from Duane Park to Halfway Tree, withdrew their service as well. So you know say a chaos this morning. Pitney them late for go school. You see me? The people them late for go work. Me can bet say alone people are calling boss this morning. You know say me late though. You know say me can't make it in today. You know say the bus them strike and the taxi them strike, so me I go be late. All the one them were ever late. I guess you know have a perfect excuse this morning. Anyway, still it we are gonna talk about in this review. But before we go into the details, more wanna check out that song here by Doktor. The artist is called Doktor, and the song is entitled Action. And people, that song you bad. And the first time I bring it on the channel, and I feel say it worthy of a second feature. So check it out, no man.
New style, look on my drip. Anywhere me go, me pick up girl quick. Move to the left when them a chat shit. Step forward cause a bad man this. Body is murder. Wind down a little bit further.
Yeah, so that was Doktor, and as what me telling you, this song is entitled Action. Me I go put the link in the comment section, so you can definitely click on that. Go over the page, make the people them know, say yo, a Chaddy Mori TV say no. So people, even though me sound energetic and me sound, you know, vibesy, it's a very unfortunate situation. Between them three events here where we really take place, it really unfortunate. You see me? I know me can't really telling you something concrete from mainstream media, but me I go telling you what me know based on my research. You see me? So allegedly, one of the party them threw a buckle water in the other party face. Me not 100% sure who threw which water in which face, so we just leave it as right. That's all. Me no want to get no so. You see me? And the taxi driver rushed the bus driver with a knife, actually stabbing 2 times, and people remember me say allegedly. And then the bus driver now take away the knife from him. I don't know how him take away the knife from him and stab him, and him dead. You see me? So something like so the story go. Me not 100% sure. I mean I thought that a million times. Me not 100% sure how the story go. But what is fact? One JUTC driver kill one taxi driver. So after that now, a shooting incident took place between a man and a JUTC driver, and that is on Mountain View, somewhere along Mountain View Road. And you know, say the JUTC driver dead right there. So right on the street, I say a reprisal because of the taxi man killing. Yo, them go so booms and shoot up at the JUTC bus driver. And then this morning, in the vicinity of somewhere in a New Kingston, I'm not sure if it's on Oxford Road or if it's somewhere at Trafalgar Road or somewhere in a New Kingston area, them stab up another JUTC bus driver. So after that now, them withdrew their service. You see me? The JUTC driver them withdrew them service cause chaos on the streets this morning, a bag of things. Me see at one point even police coaster, like you know, the police them have some coaster where them use and do them little police work and official police or Ministry of Security business. Other coaster there, them have to use a car, little pitney them for go to school. And me have to commend the police them for that. Me really appreciate that. But what me I try say, them all of them killing here is senseless killing. Like it no call for And even if I say it go for true, make we say, some eruption go on and the JUTC bus driver and the taxi driver got in our altercation. Me no feel like it should have reached a point where stabbing go on and somebody dead. And me no feel like it should have reached a point where some bag of reprisal are go on. Yo, John, no man, you know, mash up the country yo, when you know deal with them thing there. So, because at that now, you see me, this morning people late for go work. You see it? Pitney them late for go school. And you go have about 4 family among or 3 family among, because you have the taxi driver we dead, you have the bus driver we dead, you see me, and you have the next bus driver we dead this morning. And I'm not sure how true this one is, but me just read something off a daydream where say them kill one next taxi driver in the Duane Park area. So me I say people them killing ya some senseless killing. It no call for. It not put you no better. It not put me no better. Only thing it a go left after more people are the reprisal killing. And it go on and on and on. You see me? So when me know for a fact now, as I say, I'm not sure about the last taxi driver where them killing I do any park here. I just read something off a daydream and them say, hey. You see me? But what we know for a fact, 4 people dead. So that 4 family left a moon. Them say the taxi youth have 8 pitney. So him left 8 pitney a road for moon for him. Plus him baby mother them. I don't know how much baby mother him have. And him goodly have sister, brother, and parents. So he left all them people a moon. Me feel like say we can use like we literally can solve the problem differently. You see me? And me can bet say other way it plan out. Me don't know. In my head, me I say probably one of them bad drive somebody, you see me, and one of them probably say, yo brother, you an idiot, what kind of idiot driving that? And then somebody could have say, yo, you go suck your mother. And then him say, yo, me I tell about my mother. And then they goodly start war this so. Because most of them little petty killing here we go on a Jamaica, you know. It stem from a suck your mother, you know. A man tell a man go suck them mother, and the man say, yo, go suck back your mother, batty boy. And them start war for nothing. Nothing them start war for. You see me? Me not tell a lie still, you know. If a man tell me if I go suck my mother, me I go feel away. But me I try my best not to make it escalate into me I stab up that hombre there, or me I go for a gun and put one in him dome. You see me? Yo, people, make we try cut out them little fool killing them, man. It no make no sense. As I say in the beginning, it just left a bag of people a moan for you. You see me? So right now, a chaos in a Kingston right now. You see it? And you don't say for the 5 o'clock rush hour, I same thing I go on. People can't reach them yard and all these bagga chaos. Yo, I'm glad I'm in the Kingston now, you know. Anybody I watch that video here right now, I wanna day in a Kingston, I wanna go up figure work this morning in a bag of chaos there. Wanna just comment in the comment section. How was the journey? You see me? How chaotic was the journey? Yo, Chaddy was that. Me never wanna laugh, you know, but sometimes you have to take bad things and make joke, which no joke not really de in other bad things are still, you know. But yo, I don't know. So people, more on the left, on the honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think about everything what me I say, you know. If you don't feel like a fool in me attack, you just put it in the comment section too. If you don't feel like a real talk me I make, you put it in the comment section. If you don't have no more updates on the event them will take place, or if anybody we in the comment section area watch this right now, have no update, one can probably update me, make the viewers them and the subscriber them get a better understanding of what take place. Uno put it in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And remember all of the links them in the description. You see me? Links to find me Instagram page, links where my PayPal there, where if you don't feel like say Chaddy Murray TV, I do a good work, you want to donate, you just click in the comment section, in the description, and click the link. You see me? And it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out. And I one way, and any other way, are the wrong way. And people, please stay safe.